Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we got this little booster bundle, or booster box, whatever you want to call it. Has 6 boosters in it. It's from the Journey Together section or set, and I thought, why not give it a try? Our last Elite Trainer box was so bad. Some people said the pull rates are great. I don't know, we had 2 Elite Trainer boxes so far on this channel. One was like amazing, we had 3 of the chase cards, and the second one was super duper bad. For this, as you can see, it comes with the 6 boosters as promised, and the box itself, I know people use it sometimes for their decks. It's cardboard, but still not bad. I mean, it's could be worse. Let's put that to the side though. And actually see what we have in our boosters and hope for the best. Selection wise, it's interesting to see we got all the different artworks on the packs. As you can see, we got Anne, Hop, Lilia, I forgot the other name, what's her face, I can't remember, another Ant and Hop. Yeah, let's see, Lilia was the one that was giving us the best pulls so far, so we will save her for later. We're gonna start with N because he had the worst performance so far, and I would say let's hope for the best here for the first pack magic. Here's the code card for you guys, in case that you want to grab that. Okay, I forgot the energy, here it is. We start with fighting energy, and then we actually go right through. I'm not gonna waste too much time, I would rush through, I hope that's fine. And let's see, okay, we're starting with Zoroark EX from N. I mean, it's a hit, I do dig it. It's not too exciting though, worth-wise, I think, but whatever, it is at least something. So we have a decent start. Let's continue and see what else we can pull. And the code is for you, I would say planned. Okay, and let's see what we can find in this one. So one, not, oh nice, that's amazing. Okay, we got 2 Wolverox, the holo and reverse holo, but Wailord, oh moly, that's a really nice artwork. Liking it. I did not quite get why he is sitting in the water like that, but I do like the art style, I do like the coloration. Decent start here, you guys. So we got 2 hits, 2 boosters. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be how it continues, but I mean, I'm gladly will be surprised. Quickle, yes. But we will see. So we got G-Rock and just a normal plain holo. I would love to see that guy. And alt art, do think that he has, or it has, pretty nice artwork as well. But you never know. We will see. 2 out of 3 so far. So let's see what else we can find. Oh, Rigi Ice, that's interesting. That's just an uncommon. That's interesting. Um, ooh, Brock in Full Art Trainer. Okay. The people that follow my channel know. Um, not the biggest fan of the Full Art Trainers, but still, it's a hit, and I will gladly take that. So here's another code for you guys, and then we got more energy, and this is the Lilia pack, right? Yeah. Let's see if she performs for us. No, nothing. Metagross, Hollow. Put these to the side on the bulk. Oh, that was already the 5th pack. So our last pack, let's hope for last pack magic. 3 out of 5 so far. Lightning. Come on. Potion. Flippin. Nope. 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 Regirock. Okay, interesting. That was Regirock a holo common then as well.